Dito, parang pimple bumps siya and here. Green tea talaga siya. And then, parang menthol. Hello everyone, I'm back for another video, and if you are new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Flor. So for today's video, I mentioned on my last upload, I mentioned that we were gonna be reviewing another product. So ang i-review nating product today is the Deep Green Tea Trial Kit from Benton Cosmetics. So I already showed it last video, what's the inside of this, but I will be showing you again this time. A green tea trial kit is a Benton Deep Green Tea line containing the ingredients of green tea from Boseong, Korea. Helps to manage your skin to be moist, fresh, clean, and healthy with a unique soothing effects. So it also a dermatologically tested. It gives vitality and healthy natural derived from clean recipes. So all the ingredients are natural. It's from extracted green tea. Inside this kit, it have a cleansing foam, a toner, serum, and face lotion. I-review ko tong product good for 7 days. Itatry natin siya for 7 days. And titingnan natin kung ano yung effect niya sa mukha natin. And today is July 13, 2021, Tuesday. So, ito yung cleansing foam. It says that this cleanser helps clear and healthy cleansing without skin tightening while leaving skin refreshed, hydrated, and vitalized. So, nakalagay din dito, it's dermatologically tested. Second is the toner. So, this is how it looks like. It's 30 ml on the bottle. It says that this toner replenishes moisture, soothes and freshens while leaving skin healthy and clear. Third, we have the serum. So, ito siya. Yung serum naman is 5 ml lang siya. 5 ml. So, ganito yung mukha niya. So, spray lang siya. Di kagaya ng iba, no? Nakaano siya, yung drops. Yeah. And then, we have the lotion, facial lotion. Naka-bottle din siya. It's 20 ml. So, guys, good news kasi mabibili niyo siya ngayon up to 20% off. Naka 20% off siya ngayon. So, from $12, it costs $10 na lang siya right now. So, you can also get 15% on their IG Silver update. And you only have to do to avail that 15%, visit the Yesstyle on Instagram account and then click the link on the bio and register using your IG Instagram username. So yun lang, and then you will gonna have 15% off. And you can also use my code FLOR0193 for extra 10% discount. I just woke up and I don't have anything on my face ngayon right now, so let's gonna try it. Only issue ko lang sa mukha ko is meron akong bumps dito, parang pimple bumps siya and here. And then dark circles. I have dark circles, and then yung eye bags ko na-reduce na siya, guys. Before, I have a very big eye bags. So, medyo na-reduce na siya kasi gumamit ako nung COSRX Cica. I don't know if I pronounced it well. Cica Serum from COSRX. Lalagay ko siya every night here on my face, and nag-tighten din yung skin ko. Nag-lighten siya konti. So, kung interested kayo sa product na yun, ilalagay ko yung link ng product sa description box. So, you can check it after watching this video. And let's get started now. So, first is the facial foam. Cleansing foam. Wiwet muna natin yung face natin. So, cleansing foam. Day 1. Today is day 1. So, yun siya, guys. Napaka-white on siya. Try natin sa mukha. Parang menthol yung maaamoy mo talaga yung green tea. Green tea talaga siya. And then, parang menthol. Bango. I like the smell. Medyo maanghang siya guys. Ay, menthol. Napaka-refreshing niya sa mukha. May cool effect siya. Parang menthol. So, I better just tap it on my, using my hands. You can also use cotton pads with this, but I prefer to tap it just by my hands like that because this is my first time using these products and I don't know, I don't want to burn my face. So for me, it's more safer to use your hands and just simply tap it on your face. So this one is odorless, guys. I don't smell anything on this toner. And so just tap it. Next is the serum. So this one is just 5 ml. Paano ba kayo mag-apply ng serum, guys? Minamassage ko kunti yung face ko. Pag nag-apply kayo ng serum, massage nyo din yung mukha nyo. I-lift nyo yung face nyo ng ganyan. Ganyan din yung leeg nyo. Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung leeg nyo. Yung leeg natin. Para mag-strengthen yung leg natin at hindi kagaya ng iba yung neck, di ba? Nag-ano siya, guys, yung kulubot ang leeg, kulubot. Yung alam niyo yung serum, nakakatulong siya makatanggal ng wrinkles, ng eye bags, dark circles, and then yung mga kulubot na parte ng katawan mo or mukha. So, pag mag-apply ako ng serum, guys, minamassage ko yung mukha ko. So, next, we have the lotion. So, this lotion is 20 ml. It replenishes moisture, soothes, and freshens while leaving skin healthy and clear. Oh, clear daw, guys. Clear. ng fuzz lock. So, parang bato siya. Bato. Nakabato. Medyo mahirap siya. Medyo mahirap siya. Ay, hala. Tumalibo. Mahirap siya, guys. Bakit kasi nagbabato ito? Dapat kagaya lang ng phone. Yung mabasta dito. So, ganito pala. Patak. Itaktak mo. Itaktak mo. Hanapos na siya, guys. Pero siyang may alcohol, guys. Sinasabi, magre-replenish daw siya ng skin and moisture of the skin. Moisture and clear skin. Clear daw yung skin natin ito. So, tingnan lang natin na after 7 days kung hindi na-clear yung natin. So, guys, I just don't like lotion. Kasi nakabattle siya, medyo mahirap siyang kunin, guys. So, yun lang yung lotion lang yung issue natin dito. So far, ano siya, napaka-refreshing siya sa mukha, guys. So, ayun na siya. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Ang clear na, sabi, may clear effect siya. And then, nag-glow yung face ko. I like it so far. So far, so good. So far, feels good. So, ayun na nga, guys. This is our first day, July 13, 2021, Tuesday. So, gagamitin ko to for 7 days. And then, mag-upload ulit ako after 7 days. Papakita ko sa inyo yung result. And then, mag-film pa rin ako ng videos from day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7. So, yung day 7, sa day 7 na ako mag-upload. Ipapakita natin yung result ng product na to, kung effective nga ba siya. So, if you are interested to know the result of this after 7 days, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, like that you will get notified on my next upload or future uploads. So, yeah, that's all. So, this is my look. This is my face on the first apply. So, day 1. So, I guess that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment. Excited ka ba sa result or hindi? So, touch the link of this product on the description box. So, make sure to check it down below. That's all for today's video. See you on my next upload. Bye!